You know that daydream where your boss is droning on about TPS reports and you're mentally halfway to Bali? But a taste of true freedom is unforgettable when you earn money on the go. In this not-at-all clinical guide, I'll help you dodge cubicle burnout. We're diving into 22 location-independent business ideas that can have you working in swimwear, not business casual. Spoiler, you don't have to be a 21-year-old influencer or even own a ring light. First up, Pinterest. Not just a black hole for your free time, it's also a goldmine for your wallet. Yes, you can get paid to pin, and no, you don't need to be Martha Stewart. Once you've built an audience, you can earn through affiliate links, sponsored pins, and by driving traffic to your own sites. It's the circle of online life. A circle that leads to your bank account, ideally. Now, podcasting. Where your voice and yoga pants make money. You don't need a radio voice or a studio, just a mic and a topic you love. Whether you're discussing true crime or remote work snacks, there's an audience. And the money? Oh, it's real. Sponsorships and listener support through platforms like Patreon. If you've ever wished your Candy Crush addiction could pay the bills, rejoice. Platforms like Freecash literally pay you to play games, take surveys, or test apps. It's not quit your job money, but it's definitely extra guac at Chipotle money. You can cash out for PayPal, crypto, or gift cards. Prepare for mild surprise. Welcome to the Digital Hustle Buffet, where your only limit is your Wi-Fi signal and maybe your caffeine tolerance. No pyramid schemes, just real, proven ways. Let's give it up for blogging, the original work-in-your-pajamas gig. All you need is a cheap domain, a hosting plan, and something to say. Cat memes count, apparently. Your blog can become a money magnet through ads, affiliate links, sponsored posts, and selling digital products. Your knowledge equals their shortcut. Need cash, like yesterday. Enter the world of instant gigs. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you sell your skills, writing, design, voiceovers, even pretending to be someone's online friend. So you want to swap your cubicle for a cabana. Before you pack your questionable sun hat, let's talk about the real MVP of your nomad dreams: Wi-Fi. And now, the less filtered realities. Diversifying your income isn't just smart, it's survival. Algorithms change, clients ghost, and not every remote work moment is Instagrammable. Here's your anti-failure force field: a course, toolkit, or backup plan. When the matrix glitches, you've got resources to pivot, learn new skills, or launch a fresh hustle. If you're ready to ditch your desk, remember, diversify your income, expect the unexpected, and never underestimate the power of a good backup plan. That way, when the matrix glitches, you'll be too busy living your best and most resilient beachside life to even notice. Now, if you found this illuminating or mildly amusing, be a sport. Like this video, subscribe for more existential musings and surprisingly helpful advice, and leave a comment below. Share your own side hustle struggles or triumphs. Don't be shy.